Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Today I'm making enchilada. Yeah, okay. What I do with this here is my enchilada sauce. Sometimes I use enchilada sauce and sometimes I use this. And then what I do, I mix a can of taco seasoning with it when I don't think I have enough. Because I'm only making 2 pounds, so. Sometimes when I make more, I use like bigger, like 2 cans. But today I'm gonna use one of these and one of these. Now right here, I have my meat. That's 2 pounds. And I have the oven set for 360. And this is my sauce. I mix everything here. I use 1 cup of water, put salt, pepper, some seasoning. And then what I do, this is my jalapeno peppers, bell peppers, and my onion. So what I do, I just sprinkle it in here like this. I sprinkle it here like this, and then I put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Switch it up, switch it up. And then I put it in the microwave for about 5 minutes. Okay, I got the oven preheated. I cook my meat, and then that's cooking. My sauce is cooking. I got about 2 minutes left. And then I got my tortilla chips. I put them in the oven for about 5 minutes. Let them get a little bit hard. And then what I do, I already drained my ground beef. Okay, then what I do, I put my hamburger meat back in here and let it warm up just a little bit. There, then I just let this warm up a little bit, and then I scratch it up, crunch it up. I let it warm up a little bit, crunch it up. Then my sauce has 55 seconds to go. Yeah, just warm this up just a little bit, probably about 2 or 3 minutes, not even that long. Good minute. Crunch it up, make sure all the pieces is crunched up and stuff. Just crunch it up, make sure all the pieces is crunched up. Let it get a little warm. As soon as my sauce stops, I'll pour that in here. Pie enchilada, pie. I'll be here out rolling all day if I had to make each of your enchilada. That's just too much work. Okay, now the sauce is ready. Okay, now my sauce is ready. That's how my sauce looks. Warmed it up after 5 minutes. Got onion peppers and bell pepper, jalapeno pepper. And then I just pour it in there. And just pour it in there. I have it on high. And what I do, I let it cook into that meat for about, not that long, about 5 minutes. Okay, it's cooking in here, and pretty much that's it. And then what I do, I pour some of the juice out of, I left this little bit in here because I'm gonna add some out of here. Okay, what I do now, I pour some of the juice in here. Wipe up your mess. And with that juice, and then I get my tortillas. And then I get my cheese. I usually use the Mexican style cheese blend, but since I had this and Avery had bought that, so I'm gonna use my little cheese right here, and then I'm gonna use some of this cheese. This is the one I usually get, but I didn't want to buy none. I only had that, and since Avery had this, I used some of his, and that's what I do. Okay, I get some shells, put them in here. Put all the shells in here. And I leave a few in here and spread them out in the pan. Like that. And then I get some of the meat and just put it in the pan. And I just spread it around. It's like a pie. One more scoop and spread it around like that. And then what I do, I get some of the cheese. And I turn this off. That's done. It just needs to warm up a little. And then I just sprinkle some cheese on it. Spread it around. And I put some of this cheese. Sprinkle a little bit on there. And then I just keep repeating. And then I just get some more of this meat. Sprinkle it around in the pan. I just repeat it over and over till laying them on top, like that. I gotta pour some juice on there, so it's okay if they're not that wet. I'm gonna pour some juice on there. Like that. And I get some juice. Rolling forever. pour this juice on top. Sometimes it don't be enough juice. I have to make some more taco season, but most of the time I try to make it where it be enough juice. And I save this to the end just in case it's not enough juice and stuff. And this spread, I don't think I need no more cheese. What do you guys think? Think I might need a little bit more? I got some juice for when it get halfway done. I'm just gonna put a little bit more cheese. That's it. I don't want to have too cheesy. Okay. Like that. And then when they put in the oven for about an hour, not even an hour, just depends. I would say about 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Okay, you guys, that is it. It's out the oven. I think I didn't let it stand there too long. I think only about 20 minutes. The only thing it has to do is just get hot because everything's already done. But that's it. My enchilada pie. Thank you guys so much. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And I had a $50 giveaway in one of my videos. I hope somebody done won it by now because I will be releasing this on, what's today? Sunday? That one Monday. So I'll be releasing this on either Tuesday or Wednesday. So hopefully someone done won the $50 giveaway. I did on YouTube and I'm going to do one on Facebook. I haven't did one on Facebook yet, but this is like 3 days later, 2-3 days later. I hope somebody won it. That's why you guys got to watch the whole video through in order to win. If someone had won it, congratulations. And I will have the YouTube one coming. I will have the Facebook one coming quick, soon, about a week. So congratulations, someone did win the $50 cash app for YouTube. But you got to have a cash app. So make sure you have a cash app. And make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And share. Until next time. Love you guys. Bye.